guys, welcome back to another Matt's Adventure. Today we will be hunting down the rare Portuguese chicken, but before we get into that, I just want to say thank you for the more than 12 subscribers, I think. With all that cha-ching, we're able to fly down our first subscriber to Kenya so they can hunt with us Portuguese chicken, and we can also feed some kids. So let's get right to it. Alright guys, we're in Kenya and another beautiful Matt's Adventures, of course. And today we're going to be hunting down. It's our first hunting instead of saving. It's the Portuguese chicken right there at the top right hand screen. I think this is my left hand, but we're in Kenya. They don't know left or right. Who cares, really? We just found some bread too and some rice. Tummy's full. But we brought down our first subscriber. Come on down here, first subscriber. You don't inspire me at all there, bud. Filthy animal. Gets on your shirt. Knucklehead, honestly. Ugh. Just okay, stand still there. Bud. Alright, come on, I got a few questions for you. So, what do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a CIA agent protecting Obama.
Well, you got Obamacare?
Who needs it?
Well, my grandma's got it.
Fair enough.
And nobody else has it. Let's be honest. What's your favorite subject in school?
Recess.
Of course it is. What's your favorite hot lunch?
Chicken.
So, as you know, we're hunting the rare Portuguese chicken. We'll find it no easy because I'm an expert at this. And, really, what it looks like is, it's got, well, white eyes, yellow feet, colored eggs, usually has 4 eyes. It's pretty tall. Some other interesting information about it. It's a pretty big one. It's got a long feet and big beak, kinda. And it walks around kinda like that, and it like kinda like scouts out its area. Almost it's like some of that. Like that type of stuff, of course. And yeah, we're gonna be hunting that today. So let's get right into it. So we've been searching for this rare chicken for about 54 hours, and we haven't found any sign of it, no tracks at all whatsoever, and we're kind of struggling to find it, but we won't give up because we're determined to find these eggs. And would you look at that for a lucky day. We must be pretty on this chicken because we just found some of his eggs, because the man lays the eggs, actually, not the girl. It's very strange. I don't know how he does it, but the man lays the eggs. We gotta keep this. But part of the reason why this thing's so rare is in Kenya they don't have a lot of food. So when they find these, they're gonna be, oh my gosh, green eggs and ham, or pink eggs and ham. Even though I don't know how they know because I haven't read Dr. Seuss. But if you look, there's nothing in them. And it's just a shame. It's probably droppings, and they're eating the birds' droppings. There's literally nothing in these, so stop eating them. Stop it, Kenya. Stop. Stop. We're going to find this chicken tonight, boys. So, we just got back from finding the eggs about 50 minutes ago. I followed down some tracks and some scat, and I finally found this rare chicken. Go take a look at him over there. Well, I've been watching his movements for about now 5-ish minutes. Soon I'm about to deck him, but I kind of feel bad about decking him because I'm pretty sure he's disabled and his left arm doesn't work. It is a boy because he did lay eggs, I think, but I'm not going to check because that'd be kind of weird. But I'm gonna go deck him now. Get a load of this. So I just decked this chicken. He, like he said, he was disabled. Left arm was not working, I saw, and his right arm's now broken. And he's about, 12 feet big, which is comparable to about 5 miles long. And 5 miles long is very, very big. Like, I don't know if you drove in 5 miles, but 5 miles is very long. And when I mean very long, I mean very, very long. And if you look at this thing, it's in desperate pain. It looks like he just got beef stew or something like that in his mouth. And I think that it just needs a home, so we're going to give it to a retirement home. And the retirement home lady will hopefully pet him, treat him respectfully, and maybe make a nice meal out of him. Come on here, little one. Since when did you show up?
What did you just say to me, you little?
Let's go, let's go.
Come on!
Come on. This is Matt's Ventures, and hope you enjoyed this video. This chicken going to a retirement home. You dead! You're going to a retirement home, little buddy.
No, not Eagles Plus! No!